In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a search bar in your WordPress menu easily and quickly. Having a search bar in your WordPress menu can greatly enhance the usability and accessibility of your site, helping visitors find the information they're looking for without hassle. Whether you're running a blog, online store, or any type of website, integrating a search bar can make a world of difference in user experience. Let's dive right in and explore the straightforward process to achieve this. First, ensure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. This is your admin area, where you have complete control over your site's look and functionality. Being logged in allows you to manage everything you need to customize your site. Once logged in, you want to navigate to the Plugins section on the left-hand side of your WordPress dashboard. Plugins are great tools that extend functionality and add new features to your site, so they're vital in achieving our goal today. Next, click on Add New. This option will allow us to find and install new plugins from the WordPress repository. In the search bar on the top right, type in Ivory Search. Ivory Search is a powerful, flexible, and a free WordPress search plugin that lets you create new custom search forms. When you find it, click on Install Now, and once the installation is complete, you'll see an Activate button appear. Click it to enable the plugin on your website. Activating the plugin is a crucial step because it signals that your website is ready to use Ivory Search and further enables its features. Now, look over on the left-hand sidebar again, and you should see Ivory Search added to the menu options. Hover over it and select Add New Search Form. Here, you can create your custom search form. You might be prompted to give your new search form a name. Naming helps you identify it later, especially when dealing with multiple forms. Once named, customize your search form settings as desired and save your changes. Next, navigate to Appearance in the left sidebar and then click on Menus. You need to choose the menu you want to add the search form to. This might be your main navigation menu located at the top of your site. You'll see several options on the left to add to this menu, including Ivory Search. Go ahead and check this box and click Add to Menu. Drag and drop it where you want the search bar to appear in your menu. Rearranging items is easy by simply dragging them up or down in the item list. Once you're satisfied with its position, hit Save Menu to apply the changes. Finally, head over to your live website and refresh the page to see your new search bar in action. It should now appear seamlessly integrated into your menu, ready for your visitors to use. That's it. You now have a fully functional search bar within your WordPress menu. The process is straightforward, but if you need further customization, explore the Ivory Search settings for more advanced options. Thank you for watching, and happy website customizing!